Usually I come home, the first thing I do is hug my son, but now it's like, if he comes to me, I have to stop him. And it's like, well, daddy's dirty. Daddy just came from the hospital.
Frontline healthcare workers not only have to worry about their own safety amid the COVID-19 pandemic, but also the health of the family members they live with.
Every second, every minute, I have to check my son. We don't do that often, every day. But of course, every time I always ask him, are you okay? Do you have fever? You have a stomach ache? It's just the paranoia.
Tene Rose de Adante lives under the same roof with her sister, who's a nurse at the Montreal General Hospital, her husband, who's a respiratory therapist in the ICU at the Montreal Royal Victoria Hospital, and their 6-year-old son.
My only concern is my little nephew because he's more at risk. But we are trained not to in our work also that we should never wear uniform outside.
These health experts say it's important for frontline workers to remove and wash clothes when they get home, clean shoes and shower before you get close to any family members.
Literally all my clothes at the front door, place them in a plastic bag, and then I literally, first thing I do, just in my underwear, run straight to my shower.
They say for now the situation is manageable, but they fear if the curve grows and they run out of protective gear, they and their families may not be safe.
I am worried that there may come a time where we may not have the equipment available, and I'm at such high risk performing high risk procedures like extubations, intubations. I'm right at the airway of the patient. I have direct access to lungs where most of the virus it gets developed, or where the virus is.
The thought of living separately to protect each other is constant.
It's hard to think about just being away from the family. But at the same time, I don't want to stay here and contaminate or infect any of them.
Tomorrow, we take a look at what happens when a healthcare worker needs a safe place to self-isolate away from family members and whether Quebec is ready to accommodate them.
There's always that chance where I could get the virus. And I'm worried at that time, where can I go? Where can I stay?
In Montreal, Tina Teneriello, City News.